Now, I would like to present the Analysis Console. This is another feature of OpenIT, which allows you to generate on-demand reports. Now, you can do it just by dragging and dropping different measures and dimensions into place. So let's do it together. Now, let's say I'm interested in the application name, so I'll drop it in the row. And I'll go to Measures and get the elapsed time. I'll drop it under Data Items. Now I have each application and the amount of time it was used, and also a graph. We can set this to 200. But let's say it's not enough. We also want to know which user used it. So we can go to Users. We'll take the user ID in this case and place it next to the application name. But now we would like to flip it. We have each user and all the applications that this user used, but we would like to flip it and have the applications first. So we just drag application name and put it in front of the user. Now we have each application and which users actually used it and for how long. Now, let's say that we want more information. So we'll go back to measures and we'll get denials in there. Right, not a lot of denials, but we have that as well. Now, let's presume that we're done. We're happy with the report. We want to export it. What do? Well, it's pretty simple. We scroll up, select the format, and we just export it. You can also save it as a template in different folders of templates for you to use. So you don't have to generate the report each time. You can just select it from a ready set template.